Ooh, look who's already here. Today we are picking up some more materials for the new splitters. No, mom, it's 3 in the afternoon. We're gonna cut everything up, get everything on the cars with just screws, and then see exactly what we need when we come back. I hope so. That's all we got.
What's he doing?
He's afraid to come out.
I'm not filmable appropriate today.
Why? Because you didn't invite us to go jet skiing? Or go eat? Alright guys, we have a package to unbox. So huge thank you to Car Gazette for sending out this super sick box. We have a Supra on the side here. And then looks like 86s. Let's see what we got in here. Got a microfiber towel. This is a chemical guys glass cleaner. Their business card here. Got red, white, and blue Evos. It's kind of funny. We're all Subaru guys, but Evos are cool. Ooh, look at that guys. Got an Evo shirt. Definitely rock that. Ooh, they should have gave us this on 4th of July. A freshener. Another sticker of the flag. I have a Car Gazette sticker. This is sick.
Put it on.
I like the font. And we got a picture. Nice, this is sick. So we got an Evo, a Subi, and an Evo. Huge thank you to Car Gazette for sending out this box. If you guys don't know who they are, they're a monthly subscription box. You get one every month, you pay monthly. And honestly, this is sick. They got a cool design on the box and a bunch of cool goodies inside. So thank you again, Car Gazette. You guys are awesome. So make sure to check them out, guys. We'll leave their link down in the bio. And we'll give them some love. Evo one.
Let me see the white one.
Okay, whatever. Are you sure? We can go at it. Rochambeau. Battle me. Battle me then.
Andele. Andele. Drew said best out of 3.
First 5 horsepower for the new STI. gotta start modding, bro. 10 right there.
Go step down on the back. He goes to the back, comes down, just on there. Huh? You think one?
$50.
Put them down actually. That's way cheaper than still buying one. Hey, make me one.
Do you have the text so I can show them?
150.
No, you said 50, bitch.
177,
I
buddy.
just remembered you got the shirt.
Andele.
150 for a splitter if you want it.
Okay,
Yeah, I'll make it right now.
18 minutes. Bring out the extension cord then.
Oh,
You know why I
okay.
think it's so floppy?
Because
It's long right there. You started watching them?
Dude, I didn't realize I watched them before until like I actually looked through the thing.
Dude, they're hella funny. Fucking table.
Let's just make one out of that.
I just got a table.
Holy lineup.
where'd you go? A little late to the party, buddy.
Well, thanks for the invite. What's up?
Gotta take a practice cut.
Here we go. Watch my mom's tape way.
Can get another one. Yeah.
You sent it too hard.
We sent it to her. It's good, just not here.
Just right here. Like this.
Just do your job.
Get off me.
I do with the leftovers.
Oh, bro, look. Check it out. So, with this leftover piece, makes great for canards. So, I do that right there. Yeah. So here's the rough cut on Nestor's. We're gonna start on mine now, and then we'll pop off the bumpers, place them on top, and see how they look.
What are you doing?
I'm going so off.
Long going.
Damn, boys. Macho. We need to call Dad.
Maybe hanging.
Come, oh, my bad. It was this little thing.
We got the splitter cut out to the way we want it now. Nestor's is back there. What we're gonna do is sand the edges. That way it's nice and flush, no bumps or anything or curves. Just make it nice and straight and then round it all around.
Stop eating my watermelon.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. We go live in approximately 3, 2, 1.
Here we go! Check it out, boys. We got the edges all sanded up. It's not perfect. Little imperfections here and there, but for the most part, I think it came out pretty good. It is DIY, so maybe sand down a little right here. Short. Oh no, actually that's good. That fits good.
Let's see, you want it?
Yeah. Got everything taped up. Now I'm just gonna flip the bumper, start drilling holes, and secure it on there. So 3 hours later, we finally got the splitter on the bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and take that tape off and see how it looks. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it, to be honest. It looks a little sluggish. Huh? That's Ongo's word. Sluggish. What is Ongo's word? Sluggish. I don't know.
Looks good.
Does it?
Yeah.
It's not bad, huh?
It's not like that.
Here goes Ongo. He got his splitter on taped up. We're gonna try and drill it. He went for
I did more than what
almost like a 3-inch.
I did more than what I planned because of these.
I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest. I didn't want it to stick out too much
Look
either.
at my ankle slicer.
Look at Ongo's. He reminds me of Barney.
Oh, kind of, dude.
Ankle slicer.
Take the tape off.
Should I?
So last but not least, we got the rods. Ongo drilled one hole right there. He's finishing up with the other side. There we go. Now we're gonna stick the rods in, and then both bumpers should be back on. And I think we're done. Get it, Ongo. Get it, Ongo. All done. What? All done. We're just putting the bumper back on, and then we're gonna pull the cars out, see how they look with the splitters. Still don't know how I feel about it. Here, hold it. Damn, look at Ongo's. That thing's touching the ground. Damn. I like those rods. He cutting ankles. Here's mine over here, all done. I honestly don't know how I feel about this, guys. We'll try it out. I'll see how long I keep it on there, but I don't know. Might be taking it off, not sure yet. Damn, look at those. Here's Ongo's. Here's mine. There it is, guys. The splitters are officially done. Took us a lot longer than expected, but I gotta say I'm pretty happy with the way they turned out. What do you think, man? It looks good. It looks good. Those rods, dude. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Let us know what you guys think about the new splitters, Ongo's, and mine. We will catch